Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about an altcoin called Calvex. First of all, I just want to say if you guys are looking for a meme token that will 50x and probably be a rug pull and you just wanted to pump without having any utility, then this video is not for you. But if you are looking for a long-term investment, this is the perfect token for you. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with the cryptocurrency market, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. That's completely free to do so, but it will help me and you as the YouTube algorithm will push the video out to more people. More people will find out about this pre-sale token, which is incredible, and decide to invest in it, and it is going to go exploding. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. First of all, just looking at Calvex, as you guys can see, the site just looks really enticing and intriguing to look at. Another thing you guys need to know is this token is still in the pre-sale zone. It is not being released yet and will not be releasing for the near future, so it is really early and a good time to actually walk into the token before it is obviously released to the public. Now, initially when Calvex was released, the price was 0.8 cents. Right now it is sitting somewhere close to 1 cent. Every single transaction will deduct a fee. 3% of the fee will go to the holders. Just by holding onto the token, you will be making a little bit of money. 2% will be going to the liquidity to make sure that the coin price is stable, and the third is going to be the transaction tax. By the way, the team has been doxed, so you can actually see who is working behind this project. Personally, I usually like to actually trust the projects which have the team doxed, so you can actually see who you are trusting, and this team is being doxed, so you can actually go to their LinkedIn profile and actually chat with them if you want to. Now, what is Calvex? Calvex is a Calvex corporation that supplies pet shop supplies to the whole world and aims to dominate a wide area in the future in sub-dealers and mobile application such as e-commerce, gaming, NFT markets. It also aims to make the current innovation in the crypto money market with the smart collar it has developed. Now, these smart collars are a very interesting product that they have made. It actually allows you guys to go ahead and put it on your pet, and if you go missing, you will be able to see on your phone where they are and easily find them. Personally, I do not want to lose my pet, so this would be a good invention or good product to have on your pet. Another thing is their roadmap. The roadmap is actually looking pretty good. Calvex token main idea revealed, then obviously the website, then obviously the BSC scan updated, Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Medium being released, the pre-sale saying that is where we are right now. And after the token goes live, you will be able to purchase it on PancakeSwap. It will be listed on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and also PoolCoin listing. More investors they will be looking for. Also look for new partnerships to build the team and also make sure that the project is stronger. Our dog and cat collars will be introduced. Smart doors will be introduced. So you can see they have a lot of big things following. And then in tier 1, they want to go onto big exchanges such as Binance, Huobi, Oaks, Kraken, KuCoin, Get.io, and there is some big ones that they have talked about. If you do want to look into their full white paper, it has been released, so you can actually read it completely in terms of what their plans are and how they will be making it play out. Now, talking about the distribution of tokens, so 30% of the token supply will be used for the pre-sale, 10% to social media, 10% to the team, 5% for the airdrops, and 5% to the strategic partnership, and 40% to the pool, which is obviously going to be locked until 2030, which is actually 8 years of lock period soon as the token goes live, which I personally really like. And also the ownership of the token has been re-announced, so obviously there is not a single owner that can do a rug pull, which is really great to see. Now, the pre-sale did start on the 26th of November and will be coming to an end on the 26th of January. Once it comes to an end, it will be released to the public, and if you guys do want to know how to purchase this token, don't worry, I will show you down the line. Now, looking at the timeline of how this is all going to play out, on the 1st of October, which the start of the ICO has already been done. On the 26th of October, start of preparation for the ICO token sale has been done. On the 26th of November, which is about 2 days before, now the initial first ICO has started. The second one will start on the 16th of December and the third one on 5th of January. But you guys can see the initial one, which started right now, the price is going to be 0.8 cents, then it's going to be 1.2 cents, then it's going to be 1.15. So you want to be in early so you can actually get it at the lowest price. Personally, what I really like about this token is their pre-sale is not on a third-party application, rather it is actually on their own website and they're doing it themselves, which I personally think is really cool. Now, talking about the product which they have purchased or made right now is really cool is the dog collar. So you can actually go ahead and put it on your pet and you will be able to see where they are using a GPS, and I think that is incredible because that means you will never be losing your pet. And once it is released, it will be on the Binance Smart Chain, and personally it is a lot easier to purchase on Binance Smart Chain compared to ETH or any other networks, so it is going to make it much easier. How can you trust this project? We have a liquidity locked for 2030. That's just the biggest deal, and also 2 creditability and certificate, so they're not a scam, and they have also re-announced the contract. Now also, if you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the token, I highly recommend subscribing to their Telegram. They're super active on that, and Twitter at the same time. They like to make sure that everything is up to date and the community knows what is happening in the bottom. Now, I just want to say, if you guys want to know how to participate in the pre-sale, it's really easy. You just need to go to their website, and on the top right, you guys will see login and sign up. If this is your first time on the site, you need to go ahead and click on sign up, fill in your details, then just confirm your email address, and then you guys will have an account looking like this. At this point, you just need to go ahead and click on buy the token. Once you do click on buy, it will charge you the price, which is going to be 0.8 cents, and then you will be taken to this page. Now you need to go ahead and select the currency that you want to convert into CLVX. For me, that is going to be BNB. Once you have that selected, you just need to go ahead and put in the CLVX that you want to go ahead and get. Once you do go ahead and put that in, just click on make a payment, and then you will be given an option to go ahead and make the payment, and you will be given an address to actually send your BNB, Tron, USDT, Ethereum, whatever you guys have selected as the currency you want to pay. Once you have decided on it, you just need to go ahead and send it through, and once all the confirmations have done, and you will be receiving the tokens in the next 10 minutes. And once it is added to your account, it will be in the token balance. You will not be able to withdraw it until the play sale comes to an end, which will be on the 26th of January. Once it comes to an end, you will be able to take it into a wallet and then sell it on PancakeSwap if you do want to. So it's really easy to do it, and personally I do like this process a lot better than using a third-party application because I do not trust everything such as PancakeSwap and stuff like that. But other than that, what do I think about this token? I think it has a lot of potential, and personally I like the way the team is working together. Other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.